So while we have our dip inside of the oven, we can make our tortillas. Now here, I have fresh tortilla. I'm going to cut into 4s, as you can see. And then I'm going to cut again. Okay, and we're going to make some, see here? Yep, okay. And we're going to make homemade tortilla chips. Okay, and now we'll go ahead. We have our tortilla strips. We're going to go ahead and throw them inside. Nice them out here. Just that easy. Have some homemade tortilla. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, let's let these babies do what they do. Let's go ahead and flip them over. Look at that. Beautiful. And we'll go ahead and take our rack, take these babies out. We don't want to leave the oil unattended, so once we take these out, I'm gonna go ahead and add the next batch of tortilla strips. And now with the tortilla strips we took out, I have here some salt. And I'm just going to put a little salt on it, and that is it. Baby! Bam! Hey, this is good. And this is how you make tortilla chips. So simple, so easy, and these are better than any chips you will actually buy in the store. Homemade. It's always the best way to do it.